We're still in the spooky month of October, so let's keep these Halloween drinks coming. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today I'm making another Halloween cocktail for this Halloween season. I love doing them. This one is called Serial Killer. Serial Killer. It's supposed to be Serial Killer Milk Punch, but I had to change it to Serial Killer Old Fashioned for a reason, and I'll explain that in a little bit. Now, this one's gonna be made right in the glass. I got a nice big clear ice in there to make this one. We are gonna start off with a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now, this one, if you wanted to, you can make it a vanilla simple syrup, but I'm kind of doing something else with vanilla. That's why I'm not doing that in this, but ½ ounce. All right, talking about that vanilla, I'm using vanilla bitters instead. So I'm gonna do 2 dashes of vanilla bitters. Add that vanilla flavor this way. The cinnamon and fig bitters, we're just gonna do 1 dash of this. Sometimes 1 dash goes a long way. So this is where I had to change it from a Serial Killer Milk Punch to a Serial Killer Old Fashioned. Quick explanation is, this was my first attempt at making a milk clarification. Doesn't look too bad, not too cloudy, not too bad, but when you smell it, it doesn't smell great. When you taste it, it doesn't taste like it's supposed to. It's supposed to taste like the cereal. And the cereal that we're using for this one is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So what I did is put Cinnamon Toast Crunch in some milk. Then I used some whiskey to clarify, to make clarified whiskey, and this was supposed to taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It smells like pineapple and tastes like lemon. So something went wrong in the process, something I'm gonna have to do again. So instead what I did is made this. This is bourbon infused with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I filled this up, put a cup of bourbon in here, and let it sit for about 10 hours. I just wanted to share that with you because sometimes you fail, right? And it's okay to fail. If you're not failing, you're not trying. So I'm trying different things, and sometimes they just don't work out for me. But sometimes you go to game plan B, and that's what this is. So 2 full ounces of this. Yep, and that smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And that's why I added cinnamon, added vanilla, just to add a little bit more flavor to it as well. We're gonna stir this up a little bit, not over stirring it. And I guess you could actually, if you wanted to, garnish with the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But there you have it, my Serial Killer Old Fashioned. For some reason, I just like that name. Ooh, very cinnamony. A lot more cinnamony than I thought. You got a lot of that Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It tastes like you're drinking Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Ooh, I like this one. I haven't had Cinnamon Toast Crunch since I was little. I bought it and I was like, what am I going to do with the rest of this box? Luckily, my daughter's actually eating cereal right now in the morning. So, yeah, this one's good. If you like cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and you just like the name Serial Killer, there you go. You got your next Old Fashioned for Halloween. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole, my Halloween old-fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.